Hi, Tom Hudson here with good information for you on how not to ruin your personal injury case. Most personal injury cases don't involve broken bones and blood on the streets. Most of them involve people who are in crashes but have what are not life-threatening injuries. A lot of times you don't even feel the injury the first day. You might not feel it till 2 or 3 or 4 days afterwards. But that doesn't mean that it's not a serious injury. You can be seriously injured. I mean, herniated discs, surgery, those sorts of things, and never even feel it for the first 48 hours. So it's important for you to realize that you don't know whether you're hurt or not most of the time, immediately after an accident. So whatever you do, don't jump out of the car and holler at the person that ran into you. It does no good. It makes you feel a little bit better, but by questioning the parentage of somebody who just ran into you by accident, all you're going to do is make yourself look like a jerk to the jury that might eventually decide the case. I know very few cases actually go to juries, but lawyers and insurance adjusters use hypothetical juries as our benchmark for what we think a case is worth. And if you jumped out of the car and started screaming profanity at some poor guy that ran into you, didn't do it on purpose, that makes you less of an attractive plaintiff, and juries give less money to people that they don't like. So it's really important to remember. It might make you feel better to holler at somebody if they run into you, but it's not going to help your case at all. I mean, first of all, just because you run into somebody doesn't mean you're a bad person. It doesn't even mean you're a bad driver. It just means you were momentarily inattentive. And that can happen to any single one of us. So here's a really important thing to remember in case anybody ever runs into you. And these could be really important words that could make your claim worth a lot more. 3 words to remember in the event that you are rear-ended or T-boned or what have you. You get out of your car, you go over to the guy whose car ran into yours, and you say, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" Act like you care, because juries award damages to people who care. So, little good advice. Hopefully you'll keep that in mind if you should ever be unfortunate enough to be in an accident. If that does happen to you, give us a call. Let us help you find your way through the whole process. The Hudson Law Office is committed to our clients and our community.